All right, so I'm going to come up with a difficult problem that's going to use 1 through 5, and we're going to see if we can get it worked out. Okay. So, okay. So we're going to start with this here. Okay, and maybe we should write an expanded list. And I don't know, maybe you need this. Maybe you need to remember to give every number variable a exponent or a power. Okay, that's probably the first step. I think I just leave that out, but probably I should put that in the list. And by that I mean to go through and go 2 to the what power? First. 3 to the what power? First. X to the what power? Okay, that's good, that's good. All right, that's probably the first thing to do. Second thing to do, and I'm going to keep writing this to make sure everybody has it, is go do the parentheses, right? So do the parentheses. Okay, so let's do the parentheses real quick. Okay. So the third step is we're going to write unique I'm going to spell it wrong again. That's what's going to happen. Unique bases. So write all your unique bases, okay? That's, see, I always forget that little I. I remember the QUE, and then I remember I'm spelling it wrong. Right, unique bases. How many unique bases do I have?
4.
You're right. We do have 4. We have a 2. We have a 3. We have an X. And we have a Y. Okay, we have 2 to the negative 5th power. We have 3 to the 1st power. We have X to the negative 10. And I'm adding 2. We have Y to the negative 20. And I'm going to add negative 6. This is negative 8, and this is negative 26. All right, 4. we can resolve, or what I like to call it, I'm going to move negative exponents. Okay, so this is what I do to move it. I draw a line. And everything that's negative, I'm going to circle. And I'm going to draw an arrow down because that tells me I'm supposed to move it down. Down. Nope, that's good. I shouldn't have circled that one. This one got to move down. Okay, 3 is the only one that doesn't move, right? So when I write my final answer, I'm going to have 3 on top. Okay, I'm going to have 2 to the 5th power. I'm going to have x to the 8th power and y to the 26th power. Again, the negative goes away when you move it. Because if I left the negative, I just keep moving it back and forth forever, and you'd never get done. So it's probably better if you do 2 to the 5th power, which 2 to the 5th power is what? 64 maybe? It'd be better if you wrote it like this. Oops. Apparently I need to drink my coffee faster. Okay. And you don't see that, but if you did, that would be the right answer. Okay, I'm going to do one more before we do our little worksheet here, just to see if this situation comes up. Okay. This one shouldn't be too hard, should it? Okay, again, I'm going to give every number variable a power. So I'm going to put a little power by the little 1. That way it's all even. Then I'm going to resolve my parentheses. Are there other ways to do this? Yes. At this point, I just don't want to confuse you. So this would be -2. This would be -6. And this would be -8. Is that right? Okay, now I've got to resolve. I don't even have to write my unique bases. I already have unique bases, right? I only have 1, 5, 1 x, and 1 y. So now I need to resolve the negatives. So here's a problem. This guy goes down. This guy goes down. And this guy goes down. So basically what I'm saying there is I'm going to have 5 squared x to the 6th, y to the 8th, and then now my fraction looks stupid. It just has a line and then a bunch of stuff below. What do you think I should do? Do what? I'm not going to put a 0 on top because 0 divided by this would equal 0, right? There we go. Now it looks like a proper complicated fraction, right? And so, of course, it would be better to write it like this. Okay, those are probably all the different weird stuff that might be dealt with in this particular worksheet.